I'm just going to quickly show you how to do the Russian grafting on the top of your mitten. When you finish working the decreases, you'll want to divide the stitches on your 2 double point needles. You'll need to work a couple of extra stitches after you do your knit 2 together so that you can get the working yarn here in the middle of the stitches, and you want to scoot the needles so that they are on the opposite end of the working yarn. And then using a crochet hook, you're just going to slip it into the back stitch as if to knit, slide it off, slip it into the front one as if to knit, slide it off, and then draw that stitch through. So we went back to front. Now we're going to go back to the back as if to knit, draw it through, front, slip it off as if to knit. Oop, got a split stitch there. Draw it through, go to the back, slip it off as if to knit, draw it through, front. We're going to do this all the way to the end. This will create a nice flat little seal. Go back to the back stitch, slide it off, and then to the last one and slide it off. Now we have a nice little flat seal, and then I will break the yarn, draw it through, and then weave in the ends. And that's how you can finish off the top of your Weatherly mitten.